A TikTok star from West Jordan is starring in the new season.
Welcome to Fresh Off the Set. I'm Carrie Hawker-Diaz.
And I'm Brooke Mangum. Thank you so much for joining us for another exciting episode today. We're going to have some fun today, Carrie.
We're going to have some fun. Okay, I have a question for you. Instagram. When did you first open your account?
I am a grandmother of Instagram. I actually looked it up because I was curious when Instagram started, and it's October 6th, 2010. And I think I started mine like 2010, like January. So I was like brand new, like OG. What about you?
I think it was right around then. It might have been early 2011, so maybe right after that. But are we Instagrammers?
Yes.
Grandmothers? Instagrammers?
Instagrammer grandmothers. Like I remember the days when you would use the filters that were in the app.
Yeah.
Balenciaga made you look tan, EXO Pro or whatever it was. Nobody knows anymore. But this was it. There wasn't even stories or reels. It was just a picture and you posted it.
And that's what it was about. I mean, algorithm, that wasn't even, we didn't even know what that meant.
No, and it was no business aspect of it. When I remember starting my Instagram, there was no, even the idea of making money off of being a social influencer. That wasn't even a thing. It was, you posted pictures of your dinner or whatever you were doing, and that was it.
And they were bad pictures.
Oh, my photo quality, if I look back, it's crazy to see where cameras have gone and like just everything has changed. Like everything's blurry in the beginning ones, and I leave them because I'm purist, Carrie.
I am too. We're purists. That's right. I left mine. I wanted to go back to my first post, but I'm pretty sure I took a picture of my TV.
Yeah, that sounds about right. I think I had a dog or something was mine.
But you know what? That's what we did, and it's changed so much. So now it's all about algorithms, reels, stories, and how do you feel about it? How do you feel about where it's shifted to?
It's just a totally different world now because you can actually monetize. You can make it a business. There's people that are doing big business on Instagram and TikTok, and I'm like the worst. I wouldn't even call myself an influencer. I'm the worst social media influencer, if you can even call me that, because I don't even do it anymore. I'm so like, yeah, this is my kid and my dog again, you know?
I wish I could go back to that in a way too, where it was about the picture. It was about, you weren't worried about, okay, how many likes is this going to get? How many followers am I going to gain because of this? I really wish it went back to just, and I do like Instagram because of the pictures, just a picture.
But there's so much to be gained from this, and that's what's so exciting about our guest today, is that we're really diving into that kind of business aspect of it and how you can make money on Instagram, how you can be a part of this algorithm and how you can really monetize and still have fun while doing it, because that's the whole point of social media, right?
Yeah, to have fun, to bring good into the world, to spread kindness, which is still possible, and people are still doing it, so that's a good thing. And Alora interviewed Maya Nicole. She's an Instagram expert and business coach. She's talking about the creators and what they can expect for 2023 and how you can best grow your account. Should we just give it a listen?
Let's do it. Do you think she can teach some old ladies some new tricks?
Help us.
I love that. That's so great. Giving back. Where can people follow you? You can follow me online at LizMoPD, and you can see me on Worst Cooks in America.
I am here, and I am so excited. I am talking to Maya Nicole. She is an Instagram expert and a business coach. Truly, this woman knows everything when it comes to growing on Instagram. Maya, thanks so much for calling in.
Thank you so much for having me on. I'm super excited to chat.
So honestly,